It's easy to get caught up in the excitement of a sale or the promise of buying something new. But every time we buy something we don't need, we pay more than just the price on the tag. And that's what I want to talk about today. The hidden costs of unnecessary purchases are often overlooked, but they can quietly drain our resources, our time, and our energy. Here are 6 hidden costs of buying what you don't need. Number 1, there's financial strain. Every unnecessary purchase chips away at your financial well-being. While a $20 impulse buy here and a $50 gadget there might not seem like much, these small purchases add up quickly. In fact, it only takes $13 a day in excess spending to waste $5,000 in a year. Over time, that can lead to significant financial strain, making it harder to save and get ahead. Worse still, if you're using credit cards to finance those purchases, you're not just spending money, you're also accruing interest. Americans currently carry over $1.2 trillion in credit card debt, much of it from unnecessary spending. The financial strain of this debt is difficult to measure. Number 2, clutter and disorganization. Buying things you don't need contributes to clutter in your home. More possessions means more items to store, organize, clean, and maintain. Clutter can quickly turn your living space into a source of stress rather than a place of peace. Studies show that cluttered environments increase feelings of anxiety and overwhelm. And stress leads to negative effects in both our mental and our physical health. When your home is filled with excess, it's harder to find what you need, it's harder to relax, it's harder to enjoy your space and your family. Number 3, a third hidden cost is time lost to maintenance. Every item you own requires some level of your attention, whether it's cleaning, sorting, organizing, repairing, or eventually decluttering. Every unnecessary purchase demands your time. Time spent managing your stuff is time taken away from things that matter more, like connecting with loved ones, pursuing hobbies, or simply taking time to rest properly. The less you own, the less time you lose trying to manage it all. A fourth hidden cost is an emotional weight. Unnecessary purchases often comes with emotional baggage. There's guilt over the money spent. There's regret about impulse buys. There's frustration with clutter that can weigh heavily on our mind. Instead of bringing joy, those unnecessary things can become reminders of poor decisions or unmet expectations. Over time, this emotional weight can even begin to erode our sense of peace and joy and purpose. Letting go of the need to buy things you don't need, in other words, can help you cultivate a healthier relationship with your possessions and your well-being. A fifth hidden cost is the environmental impact. Every product we buy has an environmental cost, from the resources used to create it, to the packaging it comes in, and ultimately the waste it produces. Each unnecessary item contributes to pollution and environmental degradation. The most environmentally friendly product is the one you didn't buy. Number 6, the opportunity cost. Every dollar spent on something you don't need is a dollar that could have been used for something more valuable. Whether it's investing in your education or health, saving for a meaningful experience, or giving to a cause you care about, unnecessary spending limits your ability to put your financial resources towards things that matter. Recognizing this opportunity cost helps you make more intentional decisions with your money. When you say no to unnecessary purchases, you're saying yes to opportunities that can truly enrich your life. So the next time you're tempted to buy something on impulse, consider these hidden costs. Is the purchase truly worth it, or is it just a momentary desire? By pausing and reflecting, you can make choices that support a more intentional life, and that is a trade-off always worth making.